Ever look at your raised garden bed and feel like something's missing? The soil looks rich, but your plants just aren't thriving. The hidden culprit? A lack of earthworms, the underground workforce your garden desperately needs. Without them, your soil's ecosystem is weak, and your plants miss out on vital aeration and nutrients. Many gardeners add compost, but it can take ages to attract worms and see real results. Waiting for nature to catch up can be frustrating when you want healthy plants now. What if you could jumpstart your soil's ecosystem and attract earthworms in less than a day? The answer is simple, organic, and probably sitting in your kitchen right now. The secret? Banana peels. Packed with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, banana peels are a fast food feast for earthworms. As they break down, they release nutrients and a scent that draws worms from all over. Unlike woody compost, banana peels decompose quickly, making them the perfect worm attractant. But the real trick is in the preparation. Chop them up to speed decomposition and make nutrients instantly available. This isn't about slow soil building, it's a rapid response strategy to kickstart worm activity. Once worms arrive for the feast, they stick around, aerating and enriching your soil. It's the fastest way to transform your garden bed into a thriving ecosystem. Ready to try it? Grab 1 or 2 overripe banana peels, brown and spotty is best. Chop them into fingernail-sized pieces to maximize surface area. Dig a shallow trench about 3 inches deep in your garden bed. Sprinkle the chopped peels along the bottom. Add a handful of finished compost or rich soil to boost microbial activity. Cover everything with soil, making sure no peel is exposed. This keeps pests away. Water the area thoroughly to create a moist, worm-friendly environment. For best results, do this in the late afternoon or evening when worms are most active. By morning you might find your soil teeming with new earthworms. It's that quick and easy. Why does this work so fast? Chopped banana peels give microbes a huge surface area to break down, releasing irresistible scents for worms. Earthworms sense these chemical signals and migrate to the feast. They process the peels into nutrient-rich castings, nature's best fertilizer, right at your plant's roots. You're not just attracting worms, you're supercharging your soil with natural fertilizer. I've seen this work overnight. Worms flock to the spot within hours. You're creating a worm party and everyone's invited. The result? Healthier soil, happier plants, and a thriving garden ecosystem. All from one simple kitchen scrap. For best results, always chop and bury the peels. Never use whole peels or leave them exposed or you'll attract pests. Don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Too many peels can create a slimy mess and repel worms. Repeat the process in different spots every week to spread worm activity throughout your bed. Time your banana peel addition before a gentle rain or water well to help the scent travel. Keep the soil moist but not soggy for a couple of days. Try this tonight. Chop, bury, water, and check back tomorrow. You'll be amazed at the transformation, from quiet, lifeless soil to a vibrant, worm-filled ecosystem. One simple hack, and your garden will never be the same.